Hi, welcome back on the Bet Yourself channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to first set up your Samsung S20 or S20 Plus or S20 Pro. To this operation, just simply press on the blue straight and choose the language which you want to have on your phone. Now accept by previous policy here, click next. Connect to your Wi-Fi. Connect it. Click on the next. Now service provider setup. Restart. Okay, connect to mobile network. Click on if you want to connect to mobile network. Now for is checking for updates. It can take a little while because it installs some updates here. Fine. Now copy apps and data if you wish from your phone with iOS or Android. In my case, I will don't copy right now any files on it. Now sync into Google account if you have it. If you don't have, just create it. Right now I'm gonna skip it this case. That's it. Now accept on the terms from the Google, and now you can protect your phone by face recognition, fingerprint, pattern pin or password and set up it right now. In my case, I'm gonna skip it anyway. Now review additional apps. So choose the apps which you want to install on the phone and click OK. Now get recommended apps. I'm gonna delete all apps because I want to have a clear phone without any apps. Now sync in the app to Samsung account if you have it. If you don't have, just create it. In my case, I'm gonna skip it and finish. You're at the end. All things is configured right now and you can start to using your phone. So I hope the video is helpful for you. If yes, you can leave like, leave comment and leave subscribe, and see you by next video. Hey.